Hello all, this is Pavitra. Today I come up with multiplication tricks. Calculations are more important for any competitive exams, right? I have already posted how to find out square of a number in less than 10 seconds. Today let's try with these numbers in less than 10 seconds. Let's start the session. Here the number that is 15 into 16, right? Now basic method is 16 and 15. 6 into 5, 30. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 6, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 into 1, 1. Fixing 0 in unit digit. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 240. Now what about other method? Other method I am considering as base number as 10. 10 is the base number. Now if I am considering base value as 10, 15 into 16 is equals to how much? Right? Now 15, how much is more when I am comparing to 10? That is plus 5 is more. And here plus 16, how much is more when I am comparing to 10? Plus 6 is more. Now 5 into 6 will give the result as 30. 16 plus 5 will give the result as 21. But not the final answer is 2130. So what you have to do is write 0 as it is. 21 plus 3 will give the result as 24. Answer is 240. Now this method is only applicable when the numbers are between 10 to 19. For example, if the number is like this, 18 into 19. Now 18, how much is more? Plus 8 is more. 19, how much is more? Plus 9 is more. Now what about 8 into 7 will give the result as 72. What about 19 plus 8? 19 plus 8 will give the result as 27. Now fix unit digit as 2. 27 plus 7 will give the result as 34. Answer is 342. Like this you can apply. Now what about if you are multiplying 18 into 36, this method is not applicable for this. Now what about other method? Other method is 15 into 16 is equals to how much? Right? Now I am taking 15 square plus 15. If you know the squares, you can easily crack these type of questions. Now 15 square, that is 225, plus 15, that will give the result as 240. Yes, satisfied. These are the three methods. You can choose any one of the method. Now what about remaining questions? Remaining questions, that is 24 into 25. Now what about normal approach? 25, 24, 5 into 4, 20, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 2 into 5, 10. 8 plus 10, 18. 18. Fixing unit digit as 0. 8 plus 2 will give the result as 10. 2 plus 4 will give the result as 6. Answer is 600. Now what about method number 2? That is 24 into 25. Now if I am considering as base value as 20 base. Now 24, how much is more? Plus 4 is more. 25, how much is more? Plus 9 is more. Sorry, plus 5 is more. Now what about 5 into 4 will give the result as 20. 25 plus 4 will give the result as 29. But here final answer is not 2920. Here fix unit digit as 0 and here base is 20. So what you have to do is multiply into 2. If you multiply into 2, then you will get 58. Now 58 plus 2 will give the result as 60. Answer is 600. Now what about method number 3? Method number 3, that is 24 into 25. Now write 24 square plus 24. 24 square will give the result as 576 plus 24, that will give the result as 600. This method is applicable when the numbers are consecutive numbers, side by side numbers. There is a note here. Now what about remaining numbers? That is 48 into 49. 48 into 49. If I am considering base value as 40, base number is 40, then 48 plus 8 is more. 49 plus 9 is more. Now what about 8 into 7? Sorry, 8 into 9 will give the result as 72. 48 plus 9 or 49 plus 8, that will give the result as 57. Here the base number is 40. So what you have to do is multiply into 4. Now if I am multiplying into 4, I will get the result as 228. Now fix unit digit as it is 2. Now 228 plus 7 will give the result as 235. Answer is 2352. Instead of calculating like this, you can go with 48 into 49. 48 square plus 48. What is 48 square? 48 square, 2 is less than 250. 2 square 04. If the number is near to 50, helping number as 25. Now 25 minus 2 will give the result as 23. 2304, that is 48 square, plus 48 will give the result as 2352. Answer is 2352. I am recommending you, if the numbers are near to 100 or near to 50, I am recommending you this approach is most helpful. Now what about other numbers? 56 into 57. Base number as 50. 56 plus 6 is more. 57 plus 7 is more. 7 into 6 will give the result as 42. 56 plus 7 or 57 plus 6 will give the result as 63. Now base number is 50. So I am multiplying with 5. That is 315. Yes, unit digit is 2. 315 plus 4 will give the result as 319. Answer is 3192. Or you can go with 56 square plus 56. Now what is 56 square? 6 is more, that is 6 square 36. 25 plus 6 will give the result as 31 plus 56 will give the result as 3192. Answer is 3192. Now what about left of the multiplication? That is 102 into 103. 102. If I am considering base number is 100, plus 2 is more. 103 plus 3 is more. 3 into 2 will give the result as 6. I am writing as 06. Now 103 plus 2 will give the result as 105. Answer is 10506. I hope it is clear. Please do subscribe my channel and please do share my channel. Thank you.